Hey, welcome back to another Take 5. So, in the previous video I left off with some of these other settings over here. Most of these are kind of advanced, and I wouldn't say to just jump right into these, but I'm just going to kind of give you a little idea of what's going on here over here in this window, just so that you can conclude the modes window. So, we have different options. There's painting options here that you can use for doing specific things like painting on vertexes, and you can do some texture painting and stuff like that. Um, a um, there's a world composition like landscape tool that creates landscape. This will have to be something that I could talk about in a completely different video, but that's another option there. There is also some foliage creation tools here. They give you a lot of different options for how you want to create the foliage and restrictions and things like that. And then there's also a geometry creation tool over here, geometry editing. Basically, you can create a lot of geometry brushes. They're like basically like 3D meshes, but they're not. They allow changes, and sorry about that. They allow changes, but they can be locked down later on to create meshes and stuff out of them. So they're they're um, they're kind of useful, but it depends. So that's pretty much the rest of that, and I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video with that.